What's happening, YouTube? All right, so I'm gonna go on a little rant, just a little one. A couple things. I just got the oil changed on my Tacoma down at Auto Nation Toyota in Tempe, Arizona, and couple things. I hope the oil was changed. I guess I'm just gonna have to start doing shit myself. I don't want to because I work 70 hours a week, a lot of times 6 days a week, and I just don't feel like fucking with things this well. They should be this simple, but apparently they're very fucking difficult. My question is, it's not hard to teach somebody to move a car, so why aren't they teaching these people to drive a manual transmission? If you're going to work as a valet, maybe you should learn how to drive some of the cars. Anyways, I had to get a manager to let me have my keys because nobody could drive the truck after they maybe changed the oil, maybe they didn't. Anyways, on my way home, I am an hour into my trip back to my house from the dealer, and this happened. We had a chime, and then it popped up on the screen too. It said to pull over and this and that. And I was like, oh shoot, what's this? And it turns out, I believe what we have here is the maintenance required light for the oil change. I don't know why it just came on, but maybe we're exactly 5,000 miles from the last time I changed the oil. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to reset that because it's a real difficult procedure, and I understand why they probably skipped that part because you know, everything's mediocre nowadays. I don't think my oil probably got changed. I'm concerned. All right, guys. So we go over here. We got the maintenance required. Let's go ahead and let's see here. We got to scroll this way, right? So we're going to scroll this way, and we'll go over there to the little gear set. See the little gear symbol there? Go to the settings. We hit this button. Bing. And then, oh, look at that. We got maintenance reset. So we'll hit this button again. And I'm going to answer this question. Yes. No. Yes. No. Probably yes. Okay, let's see what happens. Maintenance reset. Oh my God. That was really hard. I don't really know what the hell I paid for just now, but all right. Okay. Oh, we want to go back to the info screen, and I like mine to be on. No, I like coffee. No, yeah, we're gonna leave it there. Yeah, right here. All right, well, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.